This video will demonstrate how to operate the FMD dispenser. Open the cabinet door. Turn hopper elbow upwards. Remove hoppers from the dispenser. Remove hopper lid and fill the hopper with dry product. Place hopper back into the dispenser. Turn hopper elbow downwards. Close the cabinet door. Simply place a cup on the drip tray beneath the desired dispensing tip. Press the button to froth and dispense the beverage. Release the button when the cup is approximately 2/3 full and allow the mixing chamber to drain. Note: the mixing chamber must drain at the end of each dispense. Remove cup. Use caution as beverage is hot.